backtrack. Yeah, put it on your back.
Good morning, everybody.
Thank you. We're just going to see how many seats we have left, okay?
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Well, yeah. Have a nice flight.
Row 3, follow me in. Row 2, follow the row 3, row 1, follow the row 2.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your right.
Thursday, January 15th, 2026, and the Smokejumpers Grill has reopened. Let me give you guys a walkthrough. Breakfast is being served right now. And here is a look at the interior of the restaurant now. Still some seating area. Looks just like how I did before to me, but if you guys notice any difference, leave it in the comments. They have the mobile order pickup area, window 3 and 4. I don't remember seeing this part right here. This decor all the way at the very top. On the left side it says water only, and on the right side it says fire retardant mud, and then the middle says Smokejumpers Grill. There's a look at the kitchen. Here's a look at the registers. They have the menu right here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it seems like breakfast is only until 10:30. What do you guys think? I might have to come and film a food review on one of these items. Let me know in the comments. Okay, let's go ahead and continue on with the rest of the restaurant here. You can see more seating area. And, oh, this is really cool. Check this out. That's a cool poster, Beaver Valley. I would like to own that, if possible. And it looks like during the lunchtime I get a little bit busy, so they do have the queue area here to order up the food. Mobile order, highly recommended. And of course, you guys know the seating area looks to be just about the same there. I don't see much changes. So that is the update here for the Smokejumpers Grill. I will say, maybe this looks to be like a fresh coat of paint or something like that, because it does look really vibrant. Right now you guys can't see all that well because it is pretty early in the morning, and there's like a lot of shadows, but there it is, guys. Smokejumpers Grill. Thanks for watching.